KaNicki, you gonna dance for Mommy again? What are you doing under there? Not that dancing. Oh my goodness. Well, we haven't done a video in a while. So, I was watching TV and ooh, Daddy's sneezing. Anyways, NCIS is on a channel and it's something about Blackwater or something. So, of course, in my strange mind, I start singing the Doobie Brothers, "Oh Blackwater, keep on rolling." Yeah. Anyways, so then KaNicki starts dancing and jamming out to it. And I was going to get it on video, but now he just wants to hang upside down and dance, which isn't to say. We'll see if he goes up to the top if I ignore him. He might. Haven't done a video in a while. Oh, good kisses. KaNicki, did you have pizza crust? Yeah, you did. Did you like it? KaNicki, do you like it? Do you like pizza? You're such a good dancer, too. Yeah. You gonna dance for me? Sing boots with fur. I still haven't gotten that on tape yet, KaNicki. Which is actually the song Low. You gonna dance? KaNicki's got fur. Good dancing. Wow, what a good dancer. My goodness, you're a good dancer. Yeah. Say we're doing good. Say a lot of... Yeah. What else do you do that's kind of new? Huh? You've been saying stop it. Yeah. Hey. If he doesn't like something you're doing, he says stop it. Won't ya? I don't know if we'll get that on video. Because we don't like to do things you don't want us to. Stop it. Very good. You want a what? KaNicker. KaNickerbucker. You silly boy. So we've been pretty busy this last month, haven't we? So we haven't made a video. So, but you're doing good, aren't you? Yeah. Yeah. You want to dance again? Dance? Good dancing. No, you stop it. Yes. Very funny. Cookie. You don't need a cookie. Look at all them kisses you just gave. Now you're spinning round and round. Is that because you want a cookie? No cookie. You only get one treat a day. I also want to... What? I want to get you on video when you sound like you're drinking a soda. Pop the tab and then you really sound like you're drinking from a can. It's very funny. Yeah. What'd you do? Huh? No cookie. You have enough cookies. Ever since you got that first sugar cookie. Wow. Not a whole sugar cookie, but a part of a sugar cookie. Oh, you big show off. I sure hope this comes out. It's pretty dark, KaNicki. See, if my phone was near me, I'd play the song low for you. And then you'd say, boots with the fur. And sometimes you go, KaNicki has fur. Dance. Good dancing. You know what, KaNicki? This video might be really dark. This might not work. Oh, there he goes again. Just not sure. I'll put both feet up there. Good dancing. My goodness, what a good dancer. So what else have you been saying new? Stop It thing is really funny. But I'll get the KaNicki's got fur on camera. I will. So you've just been so busy. We haven't even did anything with our email. Yeah. Good grief. Not one thing. Just been really busy. Huh. I've had a lot going on. Maybe things will calm down now, huh? What do you think? What do you think? Hey. You gonna say anything else? Huh? You gonna say anything else? You gonna sing and dance? You're really good at dancing. Yeah. Add some music on it, be perfect. What do you think? Probably making people seasick with this video, aren't I? You have to talk more. People will get bored, KaNicki. So this was just basically bleh, to let everybody know that we're doing alright. It's just been really hectic. KaNicki, you're not picking, are you? I'll get you. I'll get your butt. I'll get your butt. I'm gonna get your butt. Okay, I'm gonna get your butt. Kiss the camera. Yeah. Scratch. Let's see if I can get you over here. Yeah. 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 Scratch. What a good boy. Yeah. Yeah. I know, that's kind of in your face, isn't it? KaNicki vision. Scratch. Are you crying a little? I heard that. You silly. I heard that grunt. Okay, bye-bye.